infant coughs found on page 9 of the textbook. And on this page, you're going to see QR codes. And these QR codes, if you have the printed version of the textbook, you can take your smartphone, turn on the camera, point the smartphone camera toward the QR code. It's going to allow you to bring up a web page, and it's going to have an audio sound bite that you can listen to, so you can compare that sound bite with your infant's cough, and that's going to help you better understand what kind of cough your infant has and whether you should really truly be concerned about this. If you have the Kindle version of the book, then you can simply select the box there with your finger, and it will take you to a web page where you can listen to the different coughs. So let's go through some of the common coughs that could tell us that our infant is ill. One is choking. If our infant is choking, then we want to immediately treat our infant for choking and call 911. A dry hack is fairly common when the infant has a cold. We want to take the infant's temperature. And if the infant's temperature is greater than 100.4 degrees, then we want to go to infant fever, which is on page 11 of the textbook, and we want to continue to troubleshoot this. Our infant may have a loud, rapid whoop with frequent coughing spasms. This is called whooping cough, and you can listen to what a whooping cough sounds like. If the infant has loud whoops with frequent coughing spasms, this is probably whooping cough. Whooping cough is serious. You should go to the doctor right away. A wet cough, and that wet cough may present with phlegm or mucus, sometimes even with blood. This is a sign or symptom of pneumonia. And sometimes this mucus that's being coughed up is green or yellow. And so we need to seek immediate medical attention for our infant. Grunting, and I encourage you to listen to this sound. If your infant is grunting, you need to seek immediate medical attention. And then a barking cough is a sign or symptom of croup. And typically this is even more persistent at night. It worsens at night. It's a barking noise on inhale. Several ways that you can help your infant is you can turn on the shower and kind of hold them, allow them to breathe that moist air. If it's a cool evening, you can take them outside and allow them to breathe that cool air. A cool mist humidifier is a help, but if this cough does not clear up in a few days, or it gets worse, you need to seek immediate medical attention. And then stridor is another one. Listen to the audio soundbite. Stridor is an abnormal, high-pitched sound on when breathing in on inhale. Sometimes we see drooling with the infant. They're anxious. They have a restless behavior. If your infant is presenting with stridor, you need to seek immediate medical attention.